Hi class, I'd like to talk to you about the water cycle. I wanted to do a hands-on experience with you guys to show you how the water cycle works a little bit. I was just unable to do that. So I prepared this little presentation for you. So I can see that my light is shining on it. So the hands-on experience I wanted to do was where you take a Ziploc bag, you draw the water across the bottom, you draw some clouds at the top, and then you draw some water drops on it. And then you would take it, tape it to a window, and then observe it off and on throughout the day. You can write down what you observe in your journal. It'd be a great science experiment and journaling experience for kindergartners. So, do you think that you know where clouds come from? And also, where do you think water comes from? One more question. What do you think water does? Well, I would like to talk to you about the water cycle. Where clouds come from, where water comes from, and what it does. So first, I have my little representation of the water cycle. I have my little purple clouds up here, and I have my little yellow sun. Nice and bright and warm. So, the clouds are all up in the sky. They get full of water, so big and full that they have to drop the water. Now, that is called precipitation. 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 That is when the clouds get heavy and cannot hold the water anymore. Little water drops. Clouds get heavy, cannot hold water, and it comes down. Does anybody know how it comes down? Rain, yes. And anything else? Snow. There's also hail and sleet. Those are also frozen rain. Rain, hail, snow, sleet. Okay, now I have found I have evaporation and accumulation switched. So when it falls down, it actually goes over here. Usually goes in a circle, but I have it switched around. Now, when it's on the ground, it's called accumulation. 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 Good. Now, does anybody know what accumulation is? Yes, it could be mud puddles. Yes, it is mud puddles, lakes, oceans. Yeah. Water gathers on the ground in puddles, lakes, oceans. Sort of like this. Do you guys know that we have a lot of lakes around here? And Yes. Wildcat Lake is one. Yes, and Long Lake is one also. Do you guys know that we also live very near the ocean? Yeah. Yes, we take the ferry on the ocean to go to Seattle, right? Right, we go to Bainbridge Island or Vashon Island too. Right. Okay, so does anybody know what happens after it accumulates on the ground? How does it make clouds? Did you know that? How does it get off the ground? It has to go up here to make the clouds because the clouds get heavy and drop it. How does it get back up there? Oh, you don't know? Well, let me say evaporation. 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 Good. Now, the sun, all big and bright and hot up here, heats up all the water down here, and then some of the water turns into steam. Yeah, turns into steam. And it goes up into the air and it makes clouds again. Imagine that. Okay, so we got steam, steam, steam. Oh my goodness, from our little puddles here. All right, the sun warms water. It turns to steam. And then it goes into the air. Air. Okay, yep. See? Evaporation. It goes up into the air. All right, so what does it do next? Does anybody know? We have one more spot left. Yeah, we have one more spot left. Now, what do you think it does? This is called condensation. 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 Condensation is where the water, the steam that goes up to the sky, collects into clouds. So, this time we make green clouds. Cloud, 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 cloud. So, steam goes into the air, gathers together into clouds. There you go. See? Now, if I had accumulation and evaporation correctly, it would go in a circle. See? It would go in a circle. Condensation, evaporation. Accumulation should be here. Evaporation should be here. So it would go in a circle. Now, since it goes in a circle, do we make water? Well, it seems like we might make water, but it just goes in a circle. It goes to the clouds, it comes back down. It goes to the clouds, it comes back down. So all the water that we have in the world is all the water we're ever going to have. So, I know, wow, huh? So what do you think water does? Right, it goes in a circle or a cycle because it does it over and over and over again. Have you guys ever seen it rain? Yeah, I know. It rains a lot here. You guys have any other questions? All right. Let's do some cloud painting. See you later.